Automated is a website that allows you to create ebooks very easily. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And as you can see, I'm presented with this interface. I was told as soon as I signed in that I've got like 5 days to actually create an ebook. Otherwise my credits will go and then I'll need to go on to the upgraded plan. So I'm going to get this cracking and let's see exactly what we can create. Now, there's a whole lot of things you can do on here, as you can see, but I don't want to get lost in, the source. I'm just going to go for what I sort of want. So I'm going to click Create Storybook. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the storybook should be, say, a short storybook. Actually, better still, instead of a storybook, let me do something that's a bit more interesting. Let's go with a novel. And let me create a new novel. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to create a novel simply based on my website. So I'm going to go to, I'm going to type it in here, jjohnson.co.uk. Tone of the book should be, let's say, uplifting, and let's say inspiring. A bit about myself. Let's say, okay, we've got an author bio to write here. Let's say J. Johnson is the emergence of let's say AI and large language models. Cool. I'm not going to include any images because I'm just trying to get this out ASAP. You can actually so you can actually create a custom outline if you actually want more control, but I'm not quite sure why it's telling me please fill in all the required fields. Looks like there's a couple bugs here, or at least that's the first one I've seen. I'm just going to create the ebook outline and let's see what we get. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it's generating our outline. Let's see what we come up with. Cool. Okay. So tracing the origins of AI from early concepts to modern breakthroughs, understanding core technologies, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and key milestones. Okay, cool. So these will be the sections in the first chapter, which is the foundations of artificial intelligence and its evolution, which is quite interesting. Got the second chapter here as well, third chapter, fourth. Cool. I'm just going to go ahead with all of these. You can add a subchapter if you want, or change the number of subchapters in one main chapter. I'm just gonna go for it, and what I'll do here is I'll just click finish. Okay, great. So I've been told the book has been queued for generation. It will be processed shortly. It's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes. So I should be able to get a free preview of up to six chapters of the novel, and I can also check the progress in my library.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Okay, cool. So now I'm being told my ebook is ready. I'm going to see a preview and potentially download it as well. So understanding AI and prompting, the future begins now. Cool. So we've got an about the author section. J. Johnson is a visionary thought leader who seamlessly bridges the realms of creativity and technology. I like that. I would say that's very accurate. With a unique vantage point as both a seasoned music artist and emerging expert in AI, Jay offers invaluable insight into how artificial intelligence is transforming our world. Okay, cool stuff. His perspective that technology is simply creativity in disguise underpins his work, inspiring others to see innovation not just as technical progress, but as an extension of human ingenuity. Good stuff. I'm going to leave it there. Cool. We can see the breakdown of the chapters from the table of contents. Just going to go to this one. Okay, this is the 9th chapter. I've only got access to the first 6 on my current free plan. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to scroll back up. Cool. So yeah, here's one of the chapters. We've got fundamental principles of AI, algorithms, data, and learning processes. Okay, cool. Interesting stuff. So yeah, this novel seems pretty interesting. I'm gonna be honest, just like skimming through, I can see a couple interesting sentences. It'd be great to know how it's all pieced together. But yeah, this is definitely an interesting platform. As you can see, I can easily download it as a document, an ePub, or print, or even create an audiobook as well. So yeah, this is definitely an interesting platform. I'm not too sure what their pricing model is like, but it's definitely worth checking out. You can also choose templates and decide if you want to export it as a PDF as well. So yeah, definitely check it out if you feel this would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.